Welcome the our channel. Today we how to build an email campaign with Constant Contact step by step clearly. To begin, sign in to your Constant Contact account. If you don't have one, create an account by following the prompts on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create button to start a new email campaign. Select email from the options provided. Next, choose a template that fits your campaign's purpose. You can browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific designs. After selecting a template, click Start Editing to customize it. In the editing interface, add a compelling subject line for your email. This subject line should grab the recipient's attention and reflect the content. Now, customize the email body by adding text, images, and links. You can drag and drop elements from the sidebar onto your template. Make sure your content is clear, concise, and engaging. Preview your email by clicking on the Preview button at the top of the editor. This allows you to see how your email will look on different devices. Once satisfied with the design, click Continue to move to the next step. Here, you'll choose your email list or segment. Select the recipients you want to target for this campaign. If needed, you can create a new list by uploading contacts or adding them manually. Next, review your campaign settings, including the From Name and Reply To address. Ensure all details are correct to maintain professionalism and clarity. After reviewing, click on Schedule or Send to choose your email's delivery method. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. After scheduling, review the final details one last time. If everything looks good, confirm your choice to send it out. You can monitor the performance of your email campaign in the Reports section. Here, you'll see metrics like open rates, click rates, and engagement levels. Use these insights to refine your future email campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.